Ever feel like your brain hits block on every piece of motivational advice? You want to change, you try to change, and something inside digs its heels in. All that advice turns into white noise. This isn't a character flaw, it's a predictable brain glitch, and there's an unseen switch to flip it. Good advice bouncing off you, that's your habituation filter doing its job. The brain tunes out what's repetitive and familiar. It's like energy saving mode. Focus on the new and the urgent. First time you hear a song, you notice everything. 100th time, it fades into the background. Just do it. Think positive. Hear them so often. They become the ticking clock you no longer hear. It's not your fault. It's how we are wired. Now, let's talk about the real enemy, the invisible scripts. Automatic beliefs running in the background. I'm not that kind of person who can do that. Real change is too hard. If I succeed, I'll lose everything else. These aren't facts, they are stories you absorbed. Spot them by listening to your self talk. Where do I say I can't or that's just who I am? Write them down. On paper, they lose power. You can look at them like an outsider. Now, there's something I call the unseen switch, the disruption method. Don't slap forced positivity on top. Disrupt the belief. Treat it like a hypothesis. Ask, what if the exact opposite were true? Let me give you an example for a limiting script. I am too old to start now. The opposite. My experience is a unique edge. Many people pivot late and win. I learn better now because I know how I learn. Now test the alternatives. Act as if for one small step. Gather your own evidence. Experiment shakes the brain out of autopilot. No, the second part of the unseen switch is the habit loop hack. Habits run on a loop. We have cue, routine, and a reward. Don't destroy the loop. Hijack it. Keep the cue, keep the similar reward, but swap the routine. Let's say the cue is mid-afternoon swamp. Old routine is scrolls through social media. The reward itself is quick mental refresh. Repeat because imperfectly is fine. Repetition builds the new pathway. The unseen switch part 3. The shoots detox. So many shoots run our days. Rules you never choose. Ask, says who? Redefine a win. Not hours worked or emails cleared, but energy left, or one thing learned, or one thing enjoyed. Run a tiny experiment this week. Live on time once without guilt, take a full lunch for fun, and notice the shift in control. Now, let's make it stick. See it, feel it, live it. To walk change in, you must embody it. See it. Say your new belief out loud daily. I am resourceful and adaptable. My experience is strength. Feel it. Visualize a real situation coming up. Watch yourself handle it with the new mindset. Live it. Take one small action each day as if that belief were already true. Not fake it till you make it. Train your brain with lived experience. Now let's break down your practical steps to flip the switch. Pick one for this week. Not all. Script spotting. For 3 days, jot every I can't, I'm not, and I should. Flip and test one. Write 3 opposite beliefs. Test one with a tiny action. Hijack a mini habit. Identify cue, routine, and reward, and swap the routine ones. Redefine today's win. Choose a success metric not tied to the output, like presence or energy. Embody one belief. Say it, visualize it, and take one aligned action. Choose one and see what happens. You are the architect. That resistance you feel, it's the habituation filter. It's invisible scripts doing their job too well. But you're not a passenger. You are the architect. This isn't more advice to tune out. It's new approach. Be curious, disrupt, experiment, and design. That's how you bypass the glitch and make change that feels real and lasting. If you want to go deeper, not just learn, but implement a plan that fits your life, there's a link below to a short video. We help people build real financial independence with a tailored strategy, accountability, and daily habits that shift mindset from scarcity to abundance. If it resonates, book a personal call. We'll map out a plan aligned to your goals. It's not for everyone, but if you're ready to take this seriously, this might be the step that moves the needle for you. Bye.